We are living in a time where artificial intelligence is no longer optional. It is foundational. According to the World Economic Forum's Future of Jobs report, 44% of core skills will change by 2027. AI-driven roles are among the fastest growing globally. This is not disruption. This is redesign. India is positioning itself to harness AI for economic growth and societal progress. With the vision of making AI in India and making AI work for India, the government approved the 10,372 crore rupees India AI mission. This is not a passing trend. This is economic transformation. The real question is, are management graduates ready? Recruiters no longer ask, which specialization did you choose? They ask, what can you build? What problems can you solve? How fast can you adapt? Placements are not about promises anymore. They are about proof. AI is automating repetitive roles. Certificates no longer guarantee confidence. Across industries, AI is reshaping decision-making. Managers who can apply AI will lead. Managers who cannot will struggle to compete. That is exactly why HyperBuild exists. At Lexicon MILE, we build day zero professionals. Introducing HyperBuild, the Lexicon MILE AI Lab. Not a subject, not a certification, not theoretical AI, a daily 5-hour applied AI lab running alongside the PGDM curriculum. Here, AI is not studied, it is used. Students build AI literacy. They master structured prompt engineering. They design marketing automation systems, HR screening engines, finance intelligence tools, operational optimization frameworks. Students do not just build tools. They build monetizable solutions, real corporate challenges, deployment-focused builds, portfolio showcase, system defense, interview readiness. Industry leaders evaluate projects like real boardroom presentations. When recruiters ask, what can you do? Our students do not answer verbally. They open their laptop and show structured prompt engineering mastery, comprehensive AI tool stack exposure, functional AI integration across business domains, AI-driven business model simulation, live corporate problem solving, deployment-ready AI portfolio, create revenue opportunities. Other institutions promise placements. We build capability first. Placements follow. At Lexicon MILE, belief is not a slogan. It is preparation. It is competence. It is readiness proven through action. The age of passive learning is over. The era of HyperBuild begins. The future of management starts here. HyperBuild, the Lexicon MILE AI Lab.